Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Blogger with the account that owns the blog, because permissions matter. Once done, open your blogs list and select the site you'll edit, then click Theme to load the visual editor. Make sure to back up the current theme right away via backup/restore and download full template. This step protects you if the new theme breaks layouts. Don't skip backup. Now let's choose or upload the theme you want and move to customization. Next, choose whether to use a built-in theme or upload a custom XML package, because each option affects widgets and HTML differently. Click Preview to test how the theme renders on desktop and mobile. This helps catch broken widgets and font issues early. If uploading, open backup/restore, pick your XML file, and upload. Blogger will replace template HTML but keep your posts. Make sure to inspect sidebar gadgets and header during preview. Adjust expectations if some widgets need manual reconfiguration. Now customize the new theme. Click Customize to change fonts, colors, spacing, and layout because visual tweaks finish the brand fit. Apply changes and then test multiple pages and posts, plus navigation and widgets on desktop and a phone. Real testing reveals clipping, alignment, or broken scripts. If something goes wrong, restore your downloaded backup from backup/restore or open the theme HTML editor to fix CSS or widget code. One key tip: clear cache or use incognito to see updates immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.